In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly format a Microsoft Word document, especially focusing on how to handle paragraphs and indentation. This skill is essential if you want your documents to appear professional and well organized, whether it's for a school project, work report, or a personal document. Let's dive in and ensure your text is as polished and presentable as possible. First, open up your Microsoft Word document where you'll be making these adjustments. You can do this by navigating to where your file is saved on your computer and double-clicking it to open. Alternatively, if you're starting fresh, you can launch Word and create a new document. Once you have your document ready in front of you, let's begin by establishing your paragraphs. A crucial aspect of professional-looking documents is the way paragraphs are formatted. When you're starting a new paragraph, it's important to ensure it is indented. This not only enhances the readability of your document, but also helps guide your reader's eye through your thoughts in a structured way. To do this, simply position your cursor at the start of the paragraph and press the Tab key on your keyboard. This should shift the entire paragraph over by a ½ inch, creating a clear separation from the previous line of text. Once you have written your first paragraph and need to begin a new one, press the Enter key. This will drop your cursor to the next line, setting up a fresh start for your new paragraph. Remember, consistency is key, so whenever you start a new paragraph, don't forget to press the Tab key again to maintain uniformity in your document's appearance. Indenting each paragraph this way keeps your document clean and consistent, which is crucial for the overall flow of your content. And there you have it. Just like that, you've mastered the basics of paragraph indentation in Microsoft Word. This simple technique can significantly improve the readability and presentation of your documents. Thank you for joining me today in learning how to format your paragraphs like a pro. Practice this a few times, and soon enough, it will become second nature every time you work on a new document. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, keep writing and stay organized.